I've been using VantagePoint now for almost 5 years. I was surprised to recognize one name, Lou Mendelson, but I had never met Lou until I got to come to one of the meetings here, one of the seminars that VantagePoint holds, and that was great to meet Lou and his son Lane. Lane's just a great guy. It gave me a lot of confidence in being able to use the software because I knew the people underneath the company were solid, down-to-earth people.
So if somebody had just discovered VantagePoint and wanted to know what's really cool about it, tell me more. The first thing I would tell you, just like with any trading tool, there is no magic. There's no magic feather. There's no magic black box that's going to go print money for you. But it's powerful. It's artificial intelligence. It predicts with a high degree of accuracy what's going to happen next for a particular market or stock or trading instrument. You need that in some context. Right? But it's powerful, and with a trading system, it can really help you. It helped me.
What I've noticed is it's a great confirmation, even if you're an experienced trader like myself. So if I have a setup and I like it and I compare it to the artificial intelligence at VantagePoint, it's just a tremendous, tremendous trade.
I wasn't using any kind of AI, any kind of artificial intelligence of any kind. And it's boom or bust. You're usually wrong more than you're right, and even if you're right more than you're wrong, you still tend to be losing money, most people. And with VantagePoint, it was a turning point in my career. I needed a product that was better than everything else. Status quo simply just was not cutting it. So it was a big turnaround for me, and when I tell people that story, they find it very interesting.
Yeah, so if you're considering coming to a VantagePoint seminar, good preparation would get some sleep, because you're gonna need to be alert and you're gonna be taking in a ton of information. The nice thing at the seminar is you get a bunch of information and then you have time to consume it and go ask questions. Other seminars, it's like speaker after speaker after speaker, and pretty soon you're overwhelmed and you just kind of tune out. At this seminar, I like the structure where it's, here's some information, a speaker. Now you got time to go sit down and talk with them and some of the other ones. Now let's do another topic. So there's a good pacing to it and a chance to internalize and use that information, so you can prepare for that. It's fairly intense, but in a good way. Right? You're never going to be bored, and it's fun. You get to meet some really cool people, and it's in a nice setting, good food, social time. So it's a great experience, and definitely worth doing.
I like to come and present at VantagePoint seminars because, well, quite frankly, the customers are sweethearts. I really like working with the VantagePoint family, the employees, the customers. It's a great environment.
If you're on the fence about coming to a seminar, I would strongly suggest that there's strategies here. The VantagePoint software is a discretionary program. There's a lot going on in that program. I would be able to fine-tune that program for you like no other, and put it into action. We do trades here together. We look at trades. We do a lot of things here, things that you will never see anywhere else. The quality of the people running this company, first and foremost, it is a family business. Lou Mendelson, Lane Mendelson, I've known these gentlemen for at least 20 years now. And I feel confident in their development team and their staff, their support staff, their assistants. It's been very, very good.